Alright guys, so starting off with a day 4 wash and go, I'm going to wash my hair using the Cantu Hydrating Creamy Conditioner. Okay, so once I finish washing my hair about 3 times, I'm going to go ahead and separate it into 4 sections. I'm going to apply a DIY deep conditioner. I used 1 avocado, 1 banana, and some Jamaican black castor oil. I'm just going to apply that evenly all over my hair. So I'm going to put on a plastic cap and leave that in for about 30 minutes. Once that's been rinsed out, I'm going to go in with the Camille Rose Naturals Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. For my leave-in conditioner, I'm using Cantu with Shea Butter. And for my oil, I'll use the Jamaican black castor oil with argan oil. I'm following up with the Camille Rose Naturals Curlaide Moisture Butter. This stuff has my hair so freaking soft, it's insane. Now I'm going in with the Camille Rose Curl Maker, and oh my god, this stuff is a freaking amazing. It has my curls popping. And I'm going to follow up with using that same argan oil and using that on my scalp. Alright, so I'm just going to let my hair air dry, which usually takes between 4 to 6 hours. And that is it. This is day 1 wash and go. Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.